Ghost here. In this video, this is part 2 of the New York SAFE Act shotguns. Now, here we have two shotguns there. Two Chinese shotguns, one being a semi-automatic, one being a pump shotgun. Under the SAFE Act, anything that takes detachable magazines and semi-automatic, that's a shotgun, it's illegal. So, no good. If it was a tube gun like this, like a Mossberg 5500 or something, and it was a tube semi-automatic, it would be okay. But I think that actually the limit is only 5, so you'd only be able to have 5 rounds. Now with the pump, with the tube, you can have 8 plus 1, so 9 rounds. Now I'm gonna try to keep this video short, but what makes that illegal? Because a lot of people want to go to New York to visit, to hunt, to get to their friend's house if they live upstate. Where I'm from is downstate on the island, so the laws are real strict there. Not as strict as New York City, but still bad. But this is totally illegal. That would be considered an assault shotgun or an assault rifle because it has detachable magazines. The law in New York, the golden rule, is one evil feature is all you're allowed with semi-automatics, with the exception of shotguns. Shotguns cannot have detachable magazines. Okay, still not as bad as Connecticut, say, where things are called out by name, where you can even have a Sega, say, by name. But this is okay and legal. This, if you buy a Sega in New York State, they're legal without a pistol grip. So if it looked like that, and it had no pistol grip on it, and it took detachable magazines, and it was in a rifle, because it was a rifle caliber, they make it in 5.56, 308. There's a couple of they make it in the 5.45 by 39, which is the AK-74, and they make it in 7.62 by 39, which is AK-47 caliber. So in New York, they're still legal to get those because they meet the golden evil feature rule. There's no threaded muzzle, there's no pistol grip, and the stock is fixed, and there's no bayonet lug anywhere. So the golden rule in New York: one evil feature is all you're allowed to have. And I'm trying to keep this video short, so I'm not going to explain how they screwed everybody over and changed it overnight and made everybody who had anything that was legal, save that was made in 1993, and it came just like that and had a bayonet lug and all kinds of stuff on it, it'd be okay prior to the SAFE Act. It was grandfathered in. But there was no grandfathering with the SAFE Act. But that's for another time. But for the shotguns, to keep this under 5 minutes, you can take a pump like this guy. Look, he has everything on it: bayonet lug, the door breacher, all kinds of ridiculous stuff. And then, you know, it's fine in New York State. And I've already recommended the pump gun to be your best thing. These to have for a defense rifle for your house in New York is 8+1. I mean, even with the Sega, that's semi-automatic. Well, that's a Lynx rather. With the Lynx, that 5 round semi-automatic, it's nice, but this is better. For New York State, you don't want to get any trouble. It's totally legal. This is a felony. If you get a Sega, which you can, rifle form, you could have a 10-round magazine, detachable mags, but just can't have that pistol grip. And Segas come that way from the factory. It looks like that. And where my thumb is where the trigger would be. So it's legal. I mean, they used to be like $200, but they're not anymore. Now they're expensive. Probably about maybe 500-600 you could pick one up for. I seen one in East Northport at a gun shop. They were actually selling one, but because it's the SAFE Act, it's just they want to sell it online. So that's New York for you. But so of the two here, that's your loss with the shotguns. Ghost out.